You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dish from Hawaii, but definitely inspired by Japanese onigiri cultures and sushis. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. Definitely Spam Musubi. The Japanese pronunciation doesn't really have any stress on any particular of the three syllables of musubi. Therefore, in English, some say as Spam Musubi or Spam Musubi, because both pronunciations are correct and not correct, because there's no stress. There shouldn't be any stress on any of the three syllables. Spam Musubi. Spam Musubi. Yeah, is how it's pronounced. Spam Musubi. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.